5 reasons you shouldn't give up. Reason 1, because when you look back, you'll tell yourself, why did I quit? Because you'll see where you're at now and you'll say, I could have made it through it. Why didn't I just keep going? Reason number 2, what else would you do if it wasn't for this? What would you be doing? Would you be sitting around doing nothing, just wasting your life and your time away? Or would you be pursuing something else? Because what truly matters to you is another reason you shouldn't quit. Reason 3, because others are depending on you. Some of you have families. Some of you have friends. They're depending on you for, be it income, stability in anything in life. And if you quit, you'll let them down. And if you really care about them, you won't give up. Reason number 4, because all the people that told you that it couldn't be done, you're proving them right. And they always told you that it couldn't be done and that you should give up because you don't have the skills, the talent, or the work ethic to do it. And if you quit now, you'll always remember the voice of them telling you, it can't be done. And you'll never forget it. Reason number 5, because quitting, for some of us, isn't an option. We can't quit because some of us develop ourselves into the person we always knew we'd become. Because sometimes quitting isn't an option. You have to have a passion and a focus and a desire that you want so badly that no matter what happens, the pursuit of it is what truly makes you happy.